Children, we discussed the singular and plural noun. Singular nouns, plural nouns. Now, I will tell you a sentence with a singular noun. You have to tell me the sentence with plural noun.
Fine, sir.
Ready?
Okay, sir.
Ready. Okay. Suppose this is a pen. These are pens. That is plural. Okay. This is a pen singular. These are plural. And these are pens plural. Okay. Like this. Right?
Okay, sir.
This is a bag. Mokshita.
These are bags.
These are bags. Very good. This is a fan.
These are pens.
These are fans. This is a bottle.
These are bottles.
These are bottles. This is a book.
These are books.
These are books. This is a boy.
These are boys.
These are boys. This is a girl.
These are girls.
These are girls. Yes. This is a tiger. These are tigers. These are tigers. This is an elephant. These are elephants. Very good. These are elephants. Yes. This is a brinjal.
These are girls.
These are brinjals. This is a banana. These are bananas. Yes, Tanusri. This. Yes, Tanusri. This is a slate. These are slates. Yes. This is a bird.
These are books.
This is a bird.
These are boats.
These are birds. This is a door.
These are doors.
These are doors. Very good. Claps. Claps.